In previous class, we did long division. Here we are going to do remainder theorem. What the remainder theorem says, let Px be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and let A be any real number. If Px is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is P of a. It means कि अगर आप एक polynomial को x minus a से divide करते हो या फिर उसमें a put कर देते हो, then you will get with both of the method you will get the remainder. जैसे हम normal divide करते हैं and we get the remainder, x minus a से divide करके remainder आता है. X minus a से if we are to divide, in place of that we can put x is equal to a. तो हम x को a put करके भी directly remainder को find out कर सकते हैं by putting the value of that real number in the given polynomial, right? So here it's same exercise also. What does the remainder theorem says? Remainder theorem says that if we have given a polynomial, let's take polynomial p of x, any polynomial here we have given x cube plus x square like this, and if we want to divide it, by x minus a, right, and we want to find out remainder by remainder theorem, so we'll do here, we will put the divisor x minus a equal to 0. Here we'll find out the value of x, which is a here. When we will put a in this polynomial at the place of x, we will get the remainder. This is called remainder theorem कि directly कि proper divide करने की place पे, instead of dividing these two polynomials, we can, if we want to find out just remainder only, then we can use this method also. हम divisor को 0 के equal रखेंगे, we'll find out the value from there, that variable, and then we will put that value in the given polynomial, and the answer, the value we'll get, that will be the remainder of the polynomial. Let's see this in the exercise. Exercise 2.3 is same. In here, first you have to find out the remainder when the polynomial, given polynomial, is divided by x plus 1, right? So here, firstly we have given here first of the polynomial is given here, और हमें इसे x plus 1 से divide करना है, and using remainder theorem here we will find out the remainder. यहाँ पर हम remainder theorem find out करेंगे, remainder theorem से remainder find out करेंगे. Now here the polynomial is x raised to power 3 plus 3x raised to power 2 plus 3x plus 1. One method is to divide it by x plus 1 with the long division. With the long division, we can divide it and we can find out the remainder directly by using remainder theorem. हमें इसे किससे divide करना है? x plus 1 से. So we'll put this x plus 1 equal to 0. We'll find out here a value of x. X is equal to minus 1. Now here, if we put this x is equal to minus 1 in this given polynomial, then we can find out the remainder here. x के place पे polynomial में minus 1 put कर दो. Minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Right? Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1 into 3 plus 3. 3 into minus 1, minus 3 plus 1. 1 positive, negative cancel. So what will be the remainder here? 0. So this is called remainder theorem. Here directly we can find out remainder by this remainder theorem. And what the remainder theorem says कि हमें जिससे भी divide करना है, we'll put that expression equal to 0. We will find value of x from there, and then we will put that value in the given polynomial, and the value we will get of the polynomial, that will be the remainder. जो polynomial की value वो x की value put करने से आएगी, आंसर जो आएगा that will be the remainder, right? So here next we have given x minus 1 by 2. So here we'll put x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Here we'll put x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. We'll take this other side, then x will be 1 by 2. So here we'll put x 1 by 2 in this given polynomial, and the answer we'll get, that will be the remainder here. Similarly, next is x. So here we'll put x is equal to 0 in the given polynomial. Fourth, x is equal to pi. We'll put x plus pi equal to 0 here. X plus pi equal to 0. So from here we'll get x is equal to minus pi, right? X is equal to minus pi. We'll put then x equal to minus pi, and the answer we'll get, that will be the remainder here. Next is 5 plus 2x. 5 plus 2x से divide करना है. So we will put 5 plus 2x equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to 0 minus 5, right? 2x equal to minus 5, that is x is equal to minus 5 upon 2. So here we'll put x is equal to minus 5 upon 2, and the answer we'll get, that will be the remainder. Let's put x is equal to minus 5 by put in the polynomial x raised to power 3 plus 3x raised to power 2 plus 3x plus 1. And we have to put minus 5 upon 2. Minus 5 upon 2 cube plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 square. See, अगर आप 5 plus 2x से divide करोगे with the polynomial, then it will be difficult. You can write down it as 2x plus 5 by dividing with, when you will do with long division. So it will be lengthy. यहाँ से मेरे पास directly आ जाएगा. Okay. So here plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Minus 5 cube, it will be minus 125 upon 2 cube means 8 plus 3 into 5 square 25, 25 into 3 75 upon 2 square 4 plus minus 15 upon 2 plus 1. When you will solve it, you will get the remainder here, right? Let's move to next question now. It's also same. Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. So here we are to divide it by x minus a, and the polynomial we have given is x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a, and we are to divide it by x minus a. So by remainder theorem, we'll put it as equal to 0. From here, we'll get x is equal to a, and we'll put here x equal to a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. A cube means a cube minus a into a square a cube plus 6 into a 6a minus a. A cube and a cube cancel, one positive, one negative. 6a minus a is equal to 5a. This is remainder now, right? So if we divide with the long division, we'll get, it will be really lengthy. We'll get time, it will take time. And if we direct put the value, then we find the answer directly, right? Next question is, check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7 here. So how to check the factor here? What does it mean? Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. आपको check करना है कि क्या 7 plus 3x 3x cube plus 7x का factor है. तो फैक्टर चेक करना है, मीन्स आपको बताना है कि क्या अगर इफ यू डिवाइड द गिवन पॉलिनोमियल बाय 7 + 3x, तो वेदर यू गेट द रिमाइंडर 0 और नॉट। अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आता है तो डेफिनेटली इट विल बी अ फैक्टर, और अगर रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आता देन इट्स नॉट अ फैक्टर, राइट। हियर वी विल फाइंड आउट द रिमाइंडर, again same with the using remainder theorem. If it will be 0, remainder will be 0, then yes it's a factor, because it will be, then अगर remainder 0 है मतलब पूरा पूरा divide हो रहा है, right, then it will be a factor. If remainder is not 0, so no, it's not a factor. So here the expression we have given is the polynomial we have given is 3x cube plus 7x, and the factor जिसको हमें factor check करना है, that expression is 7 + 3x. We'll put 7 + 3x equal to 0, then 3x is equal to -7, then x is equal to -7/3. So we'll put here 3 into -7/3 cube plus 7 into -7/3, right? Here you will get 3 into -343/27 -49/3. Then you will cut it, -343/9 -49/3. So if I ask, can it will be equal to 0? क्या ये 0 के equal होगा? If you solve it properly, I don't think it will be equal to 0, because minus minus will be plus. When you will solve it, you will add it and you will get negative value here. So it will not be equal to 0. Directly we can say from here, it will not be equal to 0. So we'll say that no, 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x, because the remainder is not 0. Because it means कि 7 plus 3x, 3x cube plus 7x को पूरा पूरा exactly divide नहीं करेगा, right? So that's why it will not be factor. So here this was exercise 2.3. Complete this exercise. To understand this third question clearly, we can take an example for it also. Wait, see. If I divide 24 by 3, what I will get here? It will go on 8, 24, remainder is 0. Because now here 24 को 3 पूरा पूरा divide कर रहा है. So we'll say that 3 is a factor of 24. 24 के factors में आता है ना 3, 6, all these are factors because they divide it properly. कि remainder 0 होता है, right? So same here also. Here the same thing is here also, कि आपको बताना है check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. तो आप क्या करेंगे, आप चेक करेंगे कि अगर आप 7 plus 3x से डिवाइड करते हैं इस गिवन पॉलिनोमियल को, and if the remainder is 0, then we'll say that yes it is a factor, otherwise it's not a factor. तो सेम हियर वी हैव डन, हमने 7 रिमाइंडर थ्योरम से हमने रिमाइंडर फाइंड आउट किया, इट वाज नॉट 0, so directly here we can say it's not a factor here, right? क्योंकि फैक्टर होने के लिए उसको पूरा पूरा डिवाइड होना जरूरी है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल्स. The same that we have done the question number 3 of exercise 2.3, that the number given polynomial is factor of the other polynomial or not. तो हमने कैसे चेक किया, if the remainder is 0 then it's a factor, and if the remainder is not 0 then it's not a factor, right? तो जो इसका एक्सप्रेशन जैसे हमने यहाँ पर किया है इन एक्सरसाइज 2.3 कि 7 + 3x इसका फैक्टर नहीं है, हमने हियर देयर वाज वन मोर x - 2 पुट किया था, x - 2 से डिवाइड किया था, x को जब 1/2 पुट किया था तो रिमाइंडर 0 आया था. हियर दे हैव गिवन एग्जांपल आल्सो, व्हेन वी पुट -1/2 x, सॉरी इन पार्ट 1, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पार्ट 1, x + 1 से जब हमने डिवाइड किया था, व्हेन वी पुट हियर x इज इक्वल टू -1, देन वी गेट द रिमाइंडर 0. So let's take this again. Here the first question exercise 2.3 was x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. x plus 1 से हमने इसे डिवाइड किया. x plus 1 we put here 0. x is equal to minus 1. Then let's put here minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Right? So minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1. Then we got the remainder 0 here. Right? So same is here. This is the remainder theorem to find out the remainder. And what is the factor theorem says? Ki if the remainder is 0, then x plus 1 is the factor of the given polynomial. This factor theorem says this. कि x plus 1 को अगर x plus 1 से अगर हम polynomial को divide करते हैं and if we get the remainder 0, if it's exactly divisible, so we'll say that x plus 1 is the factor of the given polynomial. Same factor theorem is here. Factor theorem is also same here. If px is a polynomial of degree n greater than equal to 1 and a is any real number, degree n greater than equal to 1 here it's taken because it should be more either 1 or more than 1. तभी आपके पास variable होगा, then you will be get the polynomial and then you can divide it as a polynomial. So a is any real number, then x minus a is the factor of p of x. If p of a is equal to 0, see it's clear now here. And if p of a is equal to z and p of a is equal to 0, if x minus a is a factor of p of x. अगर remainder 0 आता है, then the given divisor is factor of the given polynomial. और अगर फैक्टर है तो रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. इट्स वाइस वर्सा कि अगर फैक्टर गिवन है x माइनस ए इज फैक्टर, सो इट मींस इफ वी विल पुट a तो रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. एंड सिमिलरली अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आता है then we'll say that the divisor given here is the factor of given polynomial. Right? Same here we have done. x plus 1 में हमने x को minus 1 put किया, the remainder is 0 here, so we'll say that x plus 1 is the factor of this given polynomial. If we get the remainder 0, then the given divisor will be the factor. अगर हमें given है कि ये factor है तो remainder अपने आप ही क्या आएगा 0. Right? Okay, I repeat this. तो व्हाट द फैक्टर थ्योरम सेज कि अगर आपके पास एक पॉलिनोमियल गिवन है, इट्स सेम ऑलमोस्ट सेम एज द रिमाइंडर थ्योरम. सी रिमाइंडर थ्योरम में क्या था कि आपके पास एक पॉलिनोमियल है, अगर आप उसको x माइनस ए से डिवाइड करें तो रिमाइंडर आएगा, और अगर आप उसमें a की वैल्यू पुट करें देन यू विल गेट द रिमाइंडर डायरेक्टली. राइट? सेम हियर कि सेम आपके पास एक पॉलिनोमियल है p ऑफ x, अगर आप उसको x माइनस ए से डिवाइड करते हैं, राइट, दैट मीन्स अगर आप उसमें a पुट करते हैं, इफ यू गेट द रिमाइंडर 0 देन x माइनस ए विल बी फैक्टर, और अगर x माइनस ए फैक्टर गिवन है देन ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल गेट द रिमाइंडर 0 हियर. So here we have taken example also. Let's take one more example here. You are to check here in this example number 11. Examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. You are to check whether this is the factor of this equation, this polynomial. So let's check it. The given polynomial is x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. राइट? एंड आपको चेक करना है कि x plus 2 इसका फैक्टर है या नहीं. So we'll do the same method. We will put x plus 2 equal to 0 and we will put here x is equal to minus 2 in this polynomial. Minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. Solve it. Minus 8 plus 12 minus 10 plus 6. So it will be 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. here. Here we got the remainder 0. So we'll say that yes, x plus 2 is the factor of the given polynomial. Then we'll say that yes, it's the factor of the given polynomial. Right? So here we'll say that x plus 2 is factor. And if we find any other number other than 0, then we'll say that no, it's not a factor of the given polynomial. Right? Let's take one more example to clear this concept. I am taking an expression x raised to power 4 plus x raised to power 3 minus 2x square plus x plus 1, right? So here you are to tell whether x minus 1 is the factor of given polynomial or not. If we want to find out whether x minus 1 is factor or not, then we will put x minus 1 equal to 0. Then we'll get x equal to 1. Now here we will put x equal to 1 raised to power 4 plus 1 raised to power 3 minus 2 into 1 raised to power 2 plus 1 plus 1. Then 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. It will be 2 minus 2 plus 2. That is equal to 2, which is not equal to 0. So we'll say that no, x minus 1 is not factor of the given polynomial. So remainder theorem and factor theorem are almost same. If we put x equal to 1, we get remainder. If we get remainder 0, then it's a factor. The divisor is a factor. And if it's not equal to 0, then it's not a factor. Right? So is there any query here? So in the next class, we'll start the exercise.